afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here in Nusa Dua area. This is still Jalan Troposon, guys. If you keep going there, you will go to Jalan Nusa Dua Selatan, where you will see a lot of resorts or big hotels like Mulia, Sunrages, and yeah, Kempinski, Ritz-Carlton. There are so many big resorts down there. But this time, let's go and walk around here, which is Jalan Pantai because there are quite a lot of businesses there, and let's see what is happening. Maybe new business already there. And also later, let's go. If we still have time, let's go to the beach, because Nusa Dua has like very good beach as well. So let's go and sit together, guys. Anybody of you planning to stay here maybe? Which hotel you like to stay? Maybe here on the right side. It is also quite big hotel. Marriott Vacation Club. It is connected to Courtyard Marriott, isn't it? And there on the left side, that is a new business. It's Serena Spa. It looks fancy. And right here is Mercure Nusa Dua, guys. I think maybe some of you been staying here, Mercure Nusa Dua. And if you do stay here, they don't have any beach access, but they have some beach area that the guests can use at Nusa Dua Beach. This Mercure is quite big, yeah. It takes some time from here until you reach the lobby. Beautiful garden, but I don't know inside. I've never been before. There are a few Mercure in Bali. If you compare the one here, the one in Sanur, and the one in Kuta, maybe the one in here and Sanur, both are same size, big, yeah. Except in Kuta, a little bit like a city hotel, but the location is really good in Kuta, just by the beach. Yeah, we have pharmacies here, money changer right there. What is that? Silver jewelry. It looks nice shops, but in a small place. And anyway, this is the quarter section. If you go to the left, you will see some restaurants as well. There are more and more restaurants. And also you can go to Coco supermarket. I showed you as well before what they have. Basically it's almost like other supermarket. And local restaurants, a lot, Indonesian food and fish and etc. Because if you're staying in Nusa Dua, let's say in BTDC area, maybe not a lot of you know about this spot here. It feels like more like locals, guys. I mean, it's not really, how to say it, yeah, not really a fancy place or fancy businesses around here. So yeah, more options for you. Where to eat, where to shop. Yeah, I like this street, to be honest. It looks like a bit more traditional, yeah. It's not really like too fake with all the malls and what you call the fancy things, the fancy shops like that. But here, yeah, as you can see, it is market vibes. When I walk in this kind of street, I feel like it's more Bali, yeah, if you compare and walking in a mall. Yeah, but of course in this kind of place, most of the things they don't have any price tags, and you need to do bargaining, or you can test your bargain skills and negotiating. But sometimes not all the sellers are friendly, but most of them, yes. This is nice leather shop. Need to order one-day service, guys. It's a tailor service, but I don't know if they can finish it. Maybe, yeah. So they need to work really fast. Tailor service to make some suit and finish in a day. Oh, this is a new one. What is this? Vidya Home Spa. A new business here. And this one is the gourmet restaurant. Yeah, now it's around 5 o'clock. That's at 5:30. Still, it's a bit early, but it's quite busy already, which is good. Here also, new restaurant, Nusa Kitchen. Yeah, basically, they have many kinds of food. The Saturday looks good. Yeah, let's just keep walking. I think some of you know about this street. It is we call Jalan Pantai Mengiat, where you will see these businesses, restaurants, shops like this, and they will start to open in the morning, guys, around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Most of the shops here will open. So if you like to do shopping, you may do so. Or if you get bored staying at your hotel or resort in Nusa Dua, you can just walk out a little bit from the BTDC area and you will see something more locals like this. Because when you are in the BTDC, everything looks too tidy maybe. But they have lovely garden and they have Bali collections also. If you want to go and see the shopping area and also a lot of restaurants. Yeah, more restaurants, my, and that is the beer garden. No, what's it called? Nyoman's Beer Garden, Laguna. Mares Bistro. Wow, look at this place. It is quite busy, which is good. Wooden fire pizza. Well, this is also new, guys. Well, look at the design of the place. It looks really good. From the style design. Ulam, Balinese seafood. Balinese and seafood restaurants, Nusa Dua. Hello. Kakatu. Yeah, some of you mentioned about this restaurant. It looks good. It's quite busy too. Another wood fire pizza. Probably the taste is different when they cook pizza with a fire from the wood. It is really big difference. Did you compare making fire from a stove or something? Maybe, yeah. And you have this place also. Impressions Clubhouse. Traditional Asian massage. Food reflexology, beauty. Oh, that is the entrance, yeah. I thought the entrance from here, but it's there on the second floor. Hello.
I've seen you on YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm Krishna.
You're really good. I enjoy your, videos.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Krishna.
Yeah.
See ya.
So where are you staying? Here?
Ayodhya.
Oh, Ayodhya. Okay. Thank you for watching it.
Oh, okay. It's really good. Well done.
Thank you. Surprisingly to see a viewer here and she's staying at Ayodhya. Yeah, I would like to say thank you for all of you that keep watching my videos. Hope the videos can help for you to decide where to stay or at least to update you the situation, what to expect here, guys. This is BTDC. It has beautiful garden, perfect actually. But maybe some of the tourists will feel bored to see because I've read the comments that some of you think, yeah, it doesn't look like a real Bali. In that point, maybe I agree, yeah. Because when I walk around, let's say at the village street, for example, the Ubud area, it feels like, how to say it, yeah, the feeling like a real Bali street, something like that. Here, don't get me wrong, this place is lovely, it's beautiful, but yeah, it is more like modern, I can say. Yeah? This street will lead us to go to the beach, which is Pantai Mengiat. It is not a perfect time to come to the beach, especially if you want to do the sunbathing and you don't see sunset from this beach. But the beach itself is lovely, guys. It is beautiful, nice white sand beach. I just want to get some breeze and just enjoy time a little bit at the beach because this few days the day was not really good, guys. You know why? We got some silly problems. I think the tourism now is not doing really fine. If you see social media lately, there are a few cases related with the tourists, guys. They run without paying. Having treatment massage in Canggu, you know, with argument and blah, 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 and then leave without paying. And also, someone staying long term and then he refused to leave and insisted to stay without paying, like that. And also experience the same thing. You know, a big family, like 7 of them, they booked a tour through the agency and booked our tour. It is cooking class and Uber visit, because in this tour we will go to a traditional traditional market, because we will show where the Balinese normally they buy their goods. Like normally I show you the traditional market. That is how it looks like. And after that, we will go to the cooking class venue, have a cooking class there, and eat. And then after that, the trip will continue to the monkey forest and the rice terrace. On the day of the tour, everything runs well, smooth, with no problem. But few days after, we received an email from the agency that they want a full refund for the tour. They said the 2 of them got sick the next day after the tour, guys. Yeah, they said that, okay, the market looks not really clean, the things is not really fresh. Yeah, traditional market in Bali, it is like that. I mean, we visit traditional market just to show the tourists that where we get our things and what the Balinese do to get their goods. But of course, not the material and the cooking class, we get it from that market. So we are not going into the mall. It is traditional market, it is like that. Sometimes you will see the dirt, it looks not really clean, like that. It is traditional market. And then they're saying that the cutlery is already, the cutlery looks dusty, and blah, 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 and then they want to have a full refund. Yeah, because of that, of course, I need to check everything. The driver who took taking care of them. Yeah, and he said that 2 people sneezed and coughed since the beginning of the tour, and then they he checked already if he's okay doing the tour, and they said still okay to do the tours and etc. And during the day of the tour, it was okay, it was fine, and then the next day, 2 of them got sick, diarrhea or something. And of course, the agency as well, they don't want to lose their customer and everything, and then it's not forcing you. They encourage us to do the full refund as well. So yeah, so for us it's a bit difficult to decline or something, yeah, because we don't know if it's because of the cooking class or because of our tour and make them sick, but they got sick the next day after that, and we cannot say how to say it, being honest and tell that you also been eating somewhere else after our tours, and then the rest of the people are fine after the cooking class and just 2 of you got sick. If we don't do good in the cooking class, the food is dirty, maybe everybody will get sick, something like that. Of course, we cannot do that. I mean, we cannot honest and express our feeling like that. At the end, we just don't want to make like problem longs, and we're thinking also about the future, so we just give the full refund. What I mean is tourism, I think nowadays is not really doing well. I mean, I don't know, this kind of tourist is getting more and more in Bali. It seems like they're trying to creating and trying to take possibilities to get something, or to taking their taking their chance to get profit or something. I don't know. And I do believe all of you are good tourists and you want to come to Bali, just enjoy your holiday. Bali has a lot of problems already, so hopefully the troublemakers, this kind of tourists, instead of coming, it's better not to come to Bali to making more problems. Yeah, anyway, this is the beach. It's still nice to have breeze here, to relax a little bit, cool down, and enjoying our time. Yeah, it's good to see happy people here in Bali. And these are all the resort Ayodhya here, and you'll see more that side. Anybody of you planning to stay here? In Nusa Dua also, I think it's good to spend for your holiday. You can choose how you want to enjoy your holiday here in Nusa Dua, guys. You want to go to a fancy place? There are a lot here, a lot of resort, 5 stars. You want to spend your time at the fancy restaurants? There are more here at Bali Collection, a lot. Or if you want to spend your place a bit local or locally, there are a lot of homestays outside of the BTDC area, a lot of warungs, Indonesian restaurants, a place to shop. So yeah, it depends on your budget. I just hope you enjoy your holiday here in Bali. Wow. Yeah, it's good to see. It's busy here. This is the Ayodhya resort. It is quite big as well. Is it your favorite one? Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll sit here for a while and just want to enjoy the breeze and enjoy the view of the beach here, guys. So see you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye-bye.